What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. And we're cooking. We're doing stuffed shells, y'all. We need to get a bowl, fill it with water. We are making stuffed chicken Alfredo shells. All right. Chicken. This is chicken breast, y'all. I've cut up and do a little bit of garlic powder on them. I was like doing my chicken on a pan. I'm sorry if it's weird. Got this Asiago garlic roast. Season your food. Season your food. If you got it, season your food. This is just seasoning salt. Seasonal blend. I don't know. I like it. Onion pata. And a little bit of red chili flake. Bam. So my chicken onto my grill. And while that's on that side, we can dress the back side. See that pot behind me? Starting to steam up. You already know what we're about to do. We're about to fill that pot up. Our pot here is starting to steam. Means it's almost to boiling capacity. What we have here is some jumbo shells. I'm gonna pour the whole box in there. I don't know how many that is. What can count? One. I lost count. I don't know how many actual shells I will need. Y'all make sure you preheat your oven to 350. Y'all have two choices. Option one. You can use Alfredo from a jar. But we're not doing that. We're not using a jar. We're going to use a pan. We're going to make our own Alfredo sauce, okay? Our noodles are boiling, so we're going to go ahead and get them strained out, okay? So y'all, I've cleaned my grate. I'm going to set my chicken. I'll set my chicken down on top of this. Let it cool. We're going to dice this chicken up. First and foremost, let's dice this chicken up. We got a chicken, room temperature creme cheese. Don't matter what kind of creme cheese you got. I got the great value kind because it's cheap. And with our chicken, whole block cream cheese. Now we're gonna mix it in. Use a hard whisk to get that in. We got Rambo it up and pick it up when we can. Yo, I got some spinach here because I'm trying to be like Popeye. Get my arms all big and tout. So I am going to use some spinach today. Mixture. Bam. Set it to the side. Let's see if we have the Alfredo written down. I know I've done it. Biscuits. I don't know what that one is. Butter? So, butter. We're going to use 1 stick of butter. We're going to let that render down. We're going to do 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. This is the one I have. Minced garlic in our butter milk sauce. I'm going to go 1 tablespoon. Quite literally a tablespoon. Parmesan cheese. Just going to start whisking this together. Mozzarella. You always need to make sure you have some mozzarella. Cheese. Cheese. Now, I want to add a little bit of pepper jack. Not much. So give it a good little kick. Add a little pepper. A little salt. And a little red chili flakes for style. You have some of that pasta sauce or pasta water. Throw in your pasta water and it will work fabulous in your sauce. Or, you know, I just add in a tablespoon or 2 of flour to help thicken it up. All right, set that on low and pour a little bit in there like that. Now we stuff our shells. So I'm going to take my shell, maybe not that much. Just fill it like that. And then we're just going to set them in there. Alright, so here we are. Let's add our sauce. We're going to pour the sauce right on over the shells. Make sure everybody gets a little love. Alright, so now I'm going to cover the top in mozzarella. There's a little bit more cheese. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, Aspen's favorite thing to do. Okay, get that pepper, girl. Good job. You did it. Crushed red pepper. Bam. Our oven's preheated 350. I'm going to wrap this in some foil. Put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Alright, 350 in your oven for 20 minutes. Bam. Pow! Look at that, y'all. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Whoo! This looks delicious. Looks amazing. Wasn't that bad? We got some bread sticks. Maybe we can get it out with a spatula. I don't know. Oh yeah. I should have made some peas or something with this. Uno plate. Let's do a quick taste test. Here we go for that bite. Look at that. My plate looks good. Those shells look good. Oh yeah. Yo. As we say, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Right there. I'm telling y'all. That's a winner. That is a winner. The spinach, everything just goes good together. The chicken's moist and tender. Oh, yes. Do it. Do it, Lord. Let me know if you made this. Let me know what you've been trying here lately, what you're interested in trying. If you want to make any kind of meals or whatever else, comment below. Let me know. Other than that, thank you all so much for watching my videos, y'all. 880 some subscribers. Blowing my mind. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. Make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. Hit the bell notification to get notified anytime I post a video. Videos are typically Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Around anywhere from 2 to 6. Here lately, 6 o'clock. Other than that, peace!